How to change text direction from horizontal to vertical in Word and repeat header row on all pages. So if you want to change the text direction from horizontal to vertical in Word and repeat the header row on all pages, then you need to make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you can open up your Word document. After opening, now you need to select the text that you would like to change from horizontal to vertical. So select the text. After selecting, you can right click on it and you will have text direction. Click on text direction and then select the direction. So I've selected this one and then go with apply to, and you can apply it to all of the cells that you have in the table or selected cells. Go with OK, and that's it. Now, as you can see, that the text has been changed from the direction of horizontal to vertical. But what if you want to repeat the same kind of interface in the other table also? Then what you can do is you can just simply select the first one, which is right here, and go with the table layout. And here on the right side, you will have repeat header rows. So click on it. And now the header rows has been repeated in each and every table. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.